Assalamu alaikum, students. In this question, a father is twice as old as his son. 20 years before, the father was 4 times as old as his son. Find their present age. Students, in this question, we have to first, there are two persons. One is the father and one is the son. Son and father. So what we have to do? How do we make the equation? First of all, we will suppose let the present age of son is x. Then let the present age of father father is, because they are saying twice, word is twice, so means twice means 2 of his own as old as his son, so 2x. Now before 20 years means 20 years before the father ages, son ages is x minus 20 years. Why we are saying x minus 20? Because we are subtracting 20 from x. Before mean before, past tense. So past years will be subtracted, then you will get the answer. 20 years before the father age is 2x minus 20. Two x minus 20. Then according to the given condition, according to the given condition, we will say that 2x 20 years, because they are asking for 20 years. 20 years before the age of father was 4 times as old as his son. So 2x 20 years before, if father age is 2x minus 20, then 4 times of his son age 20 years back. So it will be like this. It will be like this. Solve this equation now. 2x minus 20 is equals to 4x multiplied by x is 4x, and 4 20s are 80. Now combine the like terms. 2x bring the 4x from right side towards left side with negative sign, and this 20 will go there. It will carry positive sign. Now we have minus 2x. It will be minus 60. X is equals to minus 60 over minus 2. Cancel negative sign. It will be 30. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So age of sun's age is 30, because X represent sun age. It's 30 years. You will write 30 years with the number. And father's age is 2 times of the sun. So it will be 2 multiplied by 30 becomes 60 years. Now question number 5. Question 5. The denominator of a fraction is 2 more than the numerator. If 1 is added to both, the fraction reduces to 4 by 5. Find the fraction. In this question, first of all, every fraction has a numerator and a denominator. So we say let the numerator is x. The denominator, let the denominator is, because the denominator of a fraction is 2 more the numerator. So it will be x plus 2. Then what will be the fraction? The fraction is the numerator comes up, denominator comes down. It is a fraction. Now next is new fraction. If 1 is added, a new fraction will be formed. New fraction. If 1 is added to the numerator 1, add 1 in numerator as well as add 1 in denominator, then x plus 2 plus 1. It will be x plus 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 is 3. So the new fraction is New fraction is 3. New fraction is x plus 1 and x plus 3. Then they are saying if 1 is added to the new fraction, the fraction reduces to 4 by 5. So what is the meaning of reduction? Reduction means minus. If I say reduces to 4 by 5, so I have to make an equation. I will bring this 4 by 5 on the other side. X plus 1 over x plus 3 equals to 4 by 5. Now do the cross multiplication. 4 multiply x plus 3 and 5 multiply by x plus 1. Go back, we see that 4 multiply x plus 3 and 5 multiply x plus 1. Now solve it for x plus 4 3s are 12. Then 5x plus 5. Bring the like terms. 5 minus 12 minus x is equals to minus 7. Cancel negative sign. X is equals to 7. Okay. And now put the fraction is, if x is fraction, what will be the fraction? In fraction consists two numbers, numerator and denominator. If I say x is the numerator, numerator is x is 7, then denominator would be x plus 2, that is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9, then the fraction is 7 over 9. This is the answer. Next question, question number 6. Question 6. In this question, divide 50 into 2 parts such that if 6 is subtracted from one part and 12 is added to the second part, we get the same number. Okay, now let's see what will be the question. First part is 50. Divide 50 into 2 parts. So first of all, we have to find it out. First part of 50 is first part of 50 because they are saying 2 parts. First part of 50 is, suppose it's x. Second part, this is the position let. Second part of 50 is, suppose y. Okay, then 50 divide in 2 parts such that, okay, first 50 divided by two parts. First part and second part. It with this statement means that 50 divided by like this. But I will go to the next part of the statement. If 6 is subtracted from one part and 12 is added to the second part. If 6 is subtracted to the one part means 6 is subtracted from one part is x, and added to the next part, 12 is added. Added means you will say it's y plus 12. Is it so? So we will get the statement of this. 50 divided into equal parts. Say that if 6 is subtracted from one part, 6 is subtracted from one part means x minus 6, and 12 is added to the second part means y plus 12. We get the same number. So we see that x, we bring this one, the other side, y, because they are not like, they are unlike. So we cannot add x into y. But what to do, we will do this. It is x minus y is equals to 18. This is the first part, we have done. Then the first one was that x does divide by 2. It's 50. Divide 50 into two equal parts. Say that, but the word divide is there. So you will not do two parts is there is equals to 50. Means half of 25 means this one, first part, and 25 in the other part. It means like this. So we have now two equations. First equation is this one, the first one with the first line, after such that we have this one equation. If we have two different equations, we will solve by using simultaneous linear equation method. So how do we solve it? We will keep these two equations. We will say this is one, the first equation, and we'll say this is the second equation. Now, in both equations, we have x and x, y and y, but the sign is different. See that there is in one equation, equation number 1, there is plus sign. In equation number 2, there is minus sign. So how can we solve it? Let's see. We will say adding equation 1 and 2. Now how to do the addition? We can add addition by adding x plus y is equals to 50. The other is x minus y is equals to 18. When you add, you will not change the sign. These two will be cancelled. Plus y minus y. We have 2x, that is 50. It is 68. Solve with the x. 68 divided by 2. You will get 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 34. Now 34 is the value of x. If the 34 is the value of x, what is the second part? The second part is, because in the beginning we have know that the divide two parts. Two parts mean it is equals to 50. So keep the value of 34 and 50. Y is equals to 50 minus 34. This is equals to 16. So our value is 16 here. In the question, next question, this is question number 7. Question 7. In question 7, it is mentioned Samina spent. Question 7. Samina spent 1/8 of her money to buy books. Then there is another part, 1/5 is a fraction on purchasing clothes. And 1/10 on charity. If she still had rupees 15 more than half of her money, find the amount she had originally. So now look at the statement. There is a fraction. There is a fraction. There are two fractions actually. So we will start our solution by using, we will save the original amount is, because we had originally they are asking for, we will say let the original amount is this is original amount is, or actual amount is X. Now, which part of her amount is spent on books? Money spent or on books? Money on books is 1/8, but because of the amount, it means 1 of our money. So 1/8 of mean multiply by X, it is X/8. Next is money spent on charity. Clothes, okay, then clothes, money spent on clothes it will be X/5. Then money spent on charity, money on charity, it will be 1/X/10. Now, they are saying, we go back to the statement, they're saying, okay, if she still had rupees 15 more mean plus, then half. Now look at the statement, read carefully. More than half of our money. 15 more means 15 plus half. Half mean 1/2 of mean multiply X money. So now see what will be the statement. remaining she has, what are they saying? They are saying 15 more than half of multiply x, means 15 plus x by 2. Now, according to the situation, what we do or condition, all the amounts will be added. X plus 8, x plus x over 5 plus x over 10 plus x over 2 plus x over 2 plus 15, and the last one is x. Now, how we will solve these fraction? We will take 8, 5, there are denominators. See, there is the denominators. If there is one denominator 8, other is 5, then the third one is 10, last one is 2. So now take the LCM. If you take the LCM of 8, 5, 8, 5, then there is 10 and 2. 10 and 2. Now take the LCM. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. Then there is 5. 1, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. What is left? 4. 4 1s are 4, excuse me. Now 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40. So it means we have LCM 40. Now, what we do? We take LCM 40. 40. Okay, there is, you can now cancel 5, 8 1s are 8, 5s are 40. 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40. 10 1s are 10, 10 4s are 40. And 2 1s are 2, 2 20s are 40. 5x plus 8x plus 4x plus 20x. Then 40 multiplied by 15 will be